Peace and love, everyone. This is Sister Iman. I am dropping another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about a mud volcano that's located in New Zealand. It was erupting and it was throwing large rocks. And I'm going to read this article. Mud volcano erupting on Gisborne farm threw large rocks, 50 meters. A mud volcano that burst to the surface on a farm near Gisborne threw large rocks, 50 meters, and is continuing to a bubble away. 10 days after it erupted, Gisborne District Council scientist Murray Cave said the mud volcano appeared on Monowai Station in the head of the Waimata Valley, about 25 km north of Gisborne, about 7:45 p.m. on December 10th. It was accompanied by a sound that the landowners initially thought was thunder, Cave said. He said mud volcanoes were a natural but rare phenomenon in New Zealand. In Gisborne, Tyra Whitty had quite a few. The latest one is about 2 km from the last mud volcano eruption in the area, which occurred in December 2018. So this is the picture of the mud volcano that's in New Zealand. The latest is a bit smaller than that one. It happened over an hour, but it's still bubbling away. There's quite a bit of bubbling going on, but it's not ejecting anymore. Mud at this stage, he said. This mud volcano is on farmland a long way from any houses or structures, unlike the 2018 one, which was only 100 feet. I'll say that again, which was only 150 meters from the nearest house. Despite their name, they're not related to volcanoes or to the geothermal mud pools such as at Rotorua. Instead, they related to faults and often have a delayed reaction to major earthquakes. This event probably delayed response to the March 5th Te Araroa earthquake, Cave said. Mud volcano eruptions eject gas, water, and rocks into the air. And in this instance, quite large rocks were thrown around 50 meters clear of the mud volcano itself, he said. The rocks ejected can come from many kilometers underground and is generally a mix of many types of rocks, not typically seen at the surface. The gas associated with the mud volcano is dominated by methane, but can include other gases such as ethane, propane, and butane. Sometimes there is oil associated with such eruptions, but not in this case, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to post a link to this article under the video title. I'm going to close it out, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.